Hi everyone, hope you are well. Today we will continue solid state class 12th. Today's topic is crystal lattice and unit cell. In this, we will discuss about crystal lattice and different kinds of unit cell. Crystal lattice. Crystal lattice is the internal structure of a crystalline solids. Molecules, atoms, or ions are definitely arranged as points. The three-dimensional arrangement of particles, atoms, or molecules or ions in space is called the crystal lattice. It is also known as space lattice or simply lattice. Crystal lattice is also known as Bravais lattice. Name of crystal lattice is based on the name of French mathematician Auguste Bravais as Bravais lattice, who explained about it for the first time. Characteristics of crystal lattice. First, in three-dimensional arrangement of constituent particles, each particle is represented by a point. It is known as lattice point. Second, lattice points are joined by straight line to bring out the geometry of the lattice. Space lattice, according to Ho, when constituent particles are repeated in a straight line, then it is one-dimensional. If on a plane, it is two-dimensional, and repetition of particles in three-dimensional is known as space lattice. Figure A is for one-dimensional lattice and figure 2 is for two-dimensional lattice. We will see three-dimensional lattice in the topic unit cell. Now, unit cell. The smallest fundamental repeating unit of the crystal lattice that generates the entire crystal when it is stacked over and over again is called the unit cell. This is the structure of three-dimensional crystal lattice. You can see in this structure, crystal lattice is made by arrangement of many unit cells. In the structure of unit cell, A, B and C are the length of the axis, and the alpha, beta and gamma are the angles of the edges. Parameters of unit cell. Parameters which define a unit cell are as follows. First, the length of axis of the three edges of unit cell are represented by A, B and C, which may or may not be mutually perpendicular. Second, angles between the edges are represented by alpha, beta and gamma. Thus, a cell is characterized by six parameters A, B, C, alpha, beta and gamma. Different types of unit cells. On the basis of arrangement of constituent particles, unit cells are of following types. First, simple or primitive unit cell. A unit cell containing particles only at the corners is known as simple or primitive cell. Second, centered unit cell. When a unit cell contains one or more constituent particles present at positions other than corners, in addition to those corners, it is called centered unit cell. It is of three types. A. Face-centered unit cell. B. Body-centered unit cell. C. End-centered unit cell. Structure A, simple unit cell. Structure B, face-centered unit cell. Structure C, body-centered unit cell. Structure D, end-centered unit cell. Unit cell in two-dimensional lattice. Two-dimensional lattice and two-dimensional unit cell are 5 types. First, lattice square, unit cell square. Second, parallelogram, parallelogram. Third, rectangular, rectangular. Fourth, hexagonal, rhombus with 60 degree. Fifth, rhombic, rectangle with an interior point. Now, three-dimensional unit cell. Three-dimensional unit cell is characterized by length A, B, C and angle alpha, beta, gamma. These are called unit cell parameters. On the basis of various values of unit cell parameters A, B, C and alpha, beta, gamma, total 7 types of crystal lattice can be formed. In this crystal lattice, points are represented only at the corners. Bravis stated that total 14 types of various unit cell exist, which are called Bravis lattice. 7 crystal system unit cells formed of 14 types of lattices. First, cubic, simple, body centered, face centered. Second, orthorhombic, simple, body centered, end centered, face centered. Third, tetragonal, simple, body centered. Fourth, monoclinic, simple, end centered. Fifth, triclinic. Sixth, hexagonal. Seventh, trigonal or rhombohedral. Number of atoms in a unit cell. Calculation of number of constituents in a cubic unit cell is based on the following facts. First, atom present at the corners is shared by 8 unit cells, thus its contribution per unit cell is equal to 1 by 8. Second, atoms present at the face is shared by 2 unit cells, thus its contribution per unit cell is equal to half. Third, an atom situated at the center of unit cell is not shared by other unit cell, thus contribution of such an atoms per unit cell is equal to 1. Fourth, an atom present on the edge of the unit cell is shared by 4 unit cells, thus their contribution per unit cell is half. SCC, BCC and FCC. First, simple cubic SCC. In this type of unit cell, there are 8 atoms at the corners. Each such atom makes 1 by 8 contribution to the unit cell, hence simple cubic unit cell contains 8. 8 corners multiply 1 by 8 equal 1 atom. Second, body centered cubic. In this type of unit cell, there are 8 atoms at corners and 1 atom at the body center. Each corner atom makes 1 by 8 contribution and the atom at the body center belongs only to the particular unit cell. Hence, a body centered cubic cell has 8 multiply 1 by 8 plus 1 multiply 1 equal to 2 atoms. Third, face centered cubic. In this type of unit cell, there is 1 atom at each corner. There are 8 corners of a cube and 1 atom at each face center. There are 6 faces of a cube. An atom at the face center is shared by 2 unit cells and makes only half contribution to a particular unit cell. Hence, in a face-centered cubic unit cell has 8 multiply 1 by 8 plus 6 multiply half equal to 4 atoms. Structure first, simple cubic unit cell. Structure 2, body-centered cubic unit cell. Structure 3, face-centered unit cell. Thanks for watching this video in our channel Bright Videos. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel Bright Videos.